neko, net, no, net, yana neko, yana neko. Yan, yana neko, 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 neko. Neck, neko, neko, neko. Neko, neko, neck, and the neck, go, neck, neko, neko, neck, neko, neko, neck, neko, neko. Neko, 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 neck, neko, 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 neck, neko, 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 neck, neko, 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 neko. Neko, neko, neck, neko, 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 neko. Neko, 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 neck, neko, neko, neck, neko, 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 neko. Neko, 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 neck, neko, neko, neck, neko. Neko, neko, neko. Neko, 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 neko. Neko, 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 neko. Neko, neko. Neko, 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 neko. Neko, 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 neko. Neko, neko. Neko, 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 neko. Neko, 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 neko. Neko, neko.
Hey! Good morning. I gotta set up my chat.
Neko, 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 neko. Neko, neko, neck, neck, neko, neko, neko.
It's not working.
Neko, neko. Neko, neck, neko. Neko, 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 neck, neck, neko, 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 neko.
Let's try this again.
Neko, 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 neck, 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 neko. Neck, neck, neko, neck, neck, neko, neko, neko. Neko, neko. Neck, 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 neko, 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 neko. Neck, 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 neko, neko, neck, neck, neck. Neko, 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 neko. Yeah, the neko, the neko.
That works, but my
Neko, the neck, no, neck, yana neko, yana neko.
My Twitch isn't working.
Neko,
Oh, there it goes.
Neko. Neck, 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 neko, neko, neck, 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 neko. Neko, neko,
It
neck,
works.
and the neck, neko, neko, neck,
Chat
neck,
works.
neko, neck, 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 neko, neko, neck, neck, neko, neko. Neko, 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 neck, 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 neko, 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 neko.
All right, I don't need anything here.
Neko, 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 neck, 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 neko, 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 neko. Neko, neko, neck, 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 neko, neck, 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 neko, neko, neko. Neko,
let me see if I can get hit by
neko,
something.
neko, neck, 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 neko, neko, neck, 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 neko, 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 neko.
Yes!
Neko, 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 neck, 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 neko, neko, neck, 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 neck.
Did I forget anything?
Neko, 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 neck, neck, neko, neko, neko.
Restore? I don't need to
Neko.
restore anything.
Neko, 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 neko.
I had a power outage.
Neko, 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 neko.
I had a power outage.
Neko, neko, neck, 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 neko, neko, neck, neko, neko.
It thinks like everything's fucking broke. We closed. Wait, it says like we closed unexpectedly. Yeah, it's because I had a power outage, bitch. I had a power outage. Neko, I had a power outage. Anyways, hopefully everybody's doing good this morning. I'm gonna be doing a program. Oh, did this start? Okay. All right. I'm gonna run an AI on one of my things first. We can do like a 1024. There we go. Export. Okay, I'm gonna run an AI in the background here. You guys don't see that. I'm gonna run another AI in the foreground. It's kind of loud. Oh shit. Uh-oh. My audio is all fucked. Maybe I can unplug it and replug it in. Hopefully that'll work. Okay, there he goes. Sweet. Now I can change like the sound. I can just use my dial. All right. My beacon music's on. Ooh. Oh shit. Why? I usually don't run into this issue. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop it. I'm gonna have to stop it. Am I still streaming? All right. Yeah. They didn't like that. Report issue. Okay. I had an issue with my AI that I was wanting to stream, run in the background. I was just trying to clean up the audio a bit. But I don't really need to. Not yet. I can just do it later. Okay, so I got this blah, 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 blah. What is this? Okay. I got this here. Remy, Pippa, Emmy, Tenma. Ooh. I didn't even mean to like have it kind of rhyme like that. Drunk AF talk. I got anyways, I got like a little gosh, I just fucking did it again. I got a warning from YouTube and I was like, your stream is not advertiser friendly. And that happened while I was editing this clip. And so, yeah, that probably means that there's too many F-bombs in this. Did I really just drink all my drink? I guess I did. 2 cans of Diet Coke down. All right, so what I'm going to do is that I think I'm going to take this. I might take this one out. I was hoping to only get the audio, but I accidentally just rendered the whole thing. So let's go and let's make a new folder. I'm gonna make a new folder. So first I want to like run Whisper on this, and then that should give me a bunch of subtitles, right? And yeah, so after I run that, then what we're gonna do is make a little program that will scan that. So I don't know like how it's gonna look, what the file looks like. I've done this before, but I think I want to do it like for this here because this is gonna be my next clip I'm gonna release. All right, so let's do this. Let's bring up, I don't know, DAF what is it? Girl Talk Part 2 DAF subtitle. Well, we'll just call it like subtitles or whatever. I don't know. Subs. And it's not really the final. But I figured I might as well just kind of get this done. Like there's still a little bit of editing that I need to do. I haven't gone over it all to check the cuts and all that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna throw that in there. And I'm gonna open up the terminal. Let's type in whisper -H. All right, so let's clear this and do it again. Whisper -H. There we go. Should I make it bigger? I don't know. So this will tell us like all the crap that we can put into it. Whoa. Should I do another whisper -H? Maybe it'll like format it better. It did. So, ew. So, I usually just don't choose a format. We can look at all these formats. Let's make another one. Can I like take this out? Oh, I can't take it out. So let's do another terminal. So we'll copy whatever we want from here into it or whatever. Right. Ooh, Billy. Oh, that's cool. Let's do that. Can I do? Oh, Billy. Okay, so I thought I can hit Control Plus. You can't. I find funny in this, it's like you do this is 100%, and you always enter it, and it always says 100% there. It's like, thank you. So Whisper is the program. We can decide the model. I don't remember the models. Maybe it's like Turbo. I think that's the newest model that they got. It's smaller. I was gonna make a name for it. Let's go into the Whisper, OpenAI Whisper. Whisper. I'm not a robot, bitch. Okay, Brave. You're starting to suck. Oh shit. I didn't mean to go there. Brave was cool until that happened. Turbo. So that's the name of it. It's Turbo. It's only like 6 gigabytes. Sup or sus? Anywho, sup? Ayo. I am going to be making some. I'm going to be scanning some subtitles. All right, so we want to have Turbo, and we're going to do English. So language. I think I can just type in EN. I'm scanning here. EN. If you don't trust that, you can just type in like English. Let's just type in English. Fuck it. English. You've been doing coding and computer stuff for like 4 or 5 months. I'm a computer engineer. I got my master's degree in computer engineering. Oh yeah. Yeah. So I like the clip. So this is all like stuff that's going towards my ability to clip. Aha, name a whisper model. Default's turbo. Well, I didn't have to put that in there, did I? Why did I put a -H turbo? That's dumb. It defaults on it too, so, but we'll do this. Model. I might not have to like, probably just put the device output directory. Okay. Output format, verbose. Where do we put like the input? We can do verbose. Okay, output format. Output format. Wait a second, where did that at? Where did that at? Format. Underscore is like a freaking. That's it defaults to all. Okay, whether to print out the progress and the debug messages defaults true. We'll just keep it true. The path to save files. Okay, I have it there. That's where my model is. Task transcribe. Transcribe. Temperature. I don't know what this is. I think I haven't YouTube chat since April. Well, I've been like mostly doing it at night. Are you sure? Were you like were you in the Twitch? Excuse me. What is the temperature? Open AI whisper temperature setting. What is it? Controls the randomness of the transcription output with values ranging from 0 to 1. A lower temperature, a 0 is more focused on deterministic output where models select tokens. Setting the temperature to 0 is often recommended for stable, accurate transcriptions as it minimizes variability. Avoid hallucinations, as it can provide a slightly dynamic adjustment based on confidence. Yeah, so Whisper like transcribes audio. It's an open AI thing. Okay, patience. Optimal patience values decoding. What is this? Length penalty. Uses simple length normalization by default. What? I don't know what that means. Okay. Initial prompt. Okay, I don't know what this shit is. Let's do FP16 since that's what I got. Oh, default's true. Compression threshold. I don't know what that shit is. No speech threshold. Word timestamps. Experimental. Extract word level timestamps and refine. Yeah, there's like different languages it can do. Yep. Highlight words. Max words per line. Requires word timestamps true? Oh. Is my word timestamps true? Okay, I guess I gotta have word timestamps true. Okay. Word timestamps. I don't know if I have to type in true. This might yell at me. Threads, max number of torch CPU. That would be worth 5. Ah. I don't know how old this is. Yeah. It's like 3+ years old. There are a bit like other things out there. They've been around for a bit. This is probably like one of the most accurate open source ones that doesn't require like an ampere. Clip timestamps. Clip timestamps. Comma separated start. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is. Max line width. Max line count. Max line count. Max number of lines in a segment. I thought they had a max word count. Did I read that wrong? Okay, so highlight. Wait a second. Max line width. Let's do that one. Max line width. I guess 25. There we go. Or we can do 20. It was a pain in the butt, but foreign companies were taking up all the good clients. Clip timestamps, comma separated start and timestamps, and ooh, that's kind of cool. I might try that later. Well, let's go ahead and put that in there. I don't know. Okay. I think that's all I need. I need to put the name of the file though. So this is called Remy Pippa blah blah blah. Yeah, well, you still got to check it. What is this? Okay. You still got to check it. It fucking did it. I'm surprised it did. I thought for sure I'd have something wrong in there. Wait a second. I said 25. That looks like way more than 25. Okay, why are they censoring out the words? Uh-oh. Yeah, why were they censoring out the words? That makes it harder for me. And cat to pandering to the wider audience shorts, please. Do the pandering. Not cat, do the pandering to the wider audience shorts, please. Let's celebrate 10K. You want me to do shorts? All right. I hate harem endings. Fujo. Okay, so that outputted that. Do they have something in here about censoring stuff? What's funny is that, like, it censored some of it and didn't censor other of it. Best of. Oh. Huh. You can do a best of. What the hell? That's weird. Let's take these here. Okay, so it did one in JSON. Let's close this one. Nope. Wow, thank you. Oh, wait a second, wait a second. What is this? Oh my gosh. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, this is interesting. It's like text, and then it goes into here. This is the, and this is the segments. ID seek 0 start, end 724 text. I think tokens. It's like it says everything in it. That's so interesting. All right. What's this SRT? Okay, let's look at the text. So this is just the text. This doesn't do me any good because what I'm wanting to do is kind of censor out the F-bombs. Okay, let's do like a F ** K. Yeah. Yeah, so we got that. And then it also does an FUCK. 0 out of 10. 38. So there's at least 48 F-bombs. Did I switch everything? I don't know. I didn't really do much. I've kind of always had it like set up like this. Ugh. I don't know. I got like a phone to track my mouth movements. So that was like a while ago. I don't know how long ago it's been. Like looking up. I don't know. I don't know. What's VTT? Ah. All right. CRT. SRT. I don't know about this one. VTT. I don't like any of those. TSV. Crap. Okay. Ew. Huh. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what this is all about. I don't think I like any of these. Yeah. Where's that folder at? Yeah, I don't think I like any of these. I don't like the song either. On Twitch. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I don't know what is this seconds in? Like that seems way too big for seconds. And I was hoping to get it like I thought it timestamped the words. What's this pound? I don't know what this is. So we got the TSV, text, VTT, SRT. Yeah, I don't like any of these. I don't like any of these. SRT, like WebVTT. We got the TSV. I kind of like the JSON one, but it shows the probabilities, but it doesn't show like the times. Like, holy shit, what the fuck is all this shit? Word 40. Okay. Can we map this out? Okay, what I want to do is, okay, let's do this. We'll call it like, we'll call it like subtitle scanner. All right, scans, subtitles, for words and stuff. For words. I wish it would just do sentences, right? Do it by the sentence. That would be cool. Yeah. Words and sentences. Is that how you spell sentences? Spell check. Yes. Exclamation point. Let's add a readme. Private. There we go. Subtitle scanner. Okay, I'm about to grab my other can. I'm freaking thirsty here. I'll be right back. I'll be like a second. 1,000. I got it. I got it. I got it. So what I want to do, I want to put this in its own little folder, but I want to like bring this in. I'm programming in Go, yo. All right, so let me go into, excuse me. New window. Home. Oh my goodness. What the fuck, Dio? Where's my G? There it is. All right. Can I just like open up a terminal? Huh, that's weird. Ah, so good. Caffeine. Caffeine. Oh, it's hitting my blood. Oh. The euphoria. The euphoria. I'm thinking. All right. Code. Let's copy this shit. There we go. Git clone. Paste. Yay! All right. Let's close. Let's go like open folder. Whoa. What's it doing all the way over there? It's crazy. Subtitle scanner. Yeah. Open. Yeah. Read me. All right. So let's. Holy fuck. I just want to make this bigger. There we go. That doesn't need to be that big. Let's go ahead and hit Control Plus. That big? That big, that big, that big, that? I'll make it that big. There we go. Get started with Python development. Get started with C++ development. Should I make this a main or a package? Huh. Should I make this a program or a package? I mean, like, this could be standalone, but I do plan on using the functions for other programs. I think I can make, gosh, I don't know, like, is that possible to do that? Let's just like make it a package. And yeah. And then I can put it into another program, right? Let's do that. Let's make it a package. Oh yeah. All right. New file. There we go. Sub scanner, I guess. I'll just call it scanner.go. Package. There we go. Three times now? I don't know. Snow Kid. Do you watch VTubers? Or do you like what is it, 3 times in a row? I don't know. Sometimes they'll like push off. They'll really push something on the title. Yeah. New Snow Kid. Do you like VTubers? Yeah, VTubers slap VODs of Twitch streamers. Ah, there we go. Hell yeah. So, who's your, okay, for VTubers, who's your Oshi? Let's throw in this file. This file might be too big for it, though. The bigger, the better. This might have what I need. I wish this was formatted. Format this shit. Words. We got the text. This is the main text here. Botan from Hololive, despite not really having learned Japanese. Ah. I don't know who Botan is. I am like, I say like I am a tourist that outstayed their visa. Like I've been watching VTubers for 2 years and I clip them, but like there's just some I don't know. Even from Hololive. Botan, Hololive. Is it 2 T's? Is it Botan? Oh. Oh. Oh my. $166, 5'5". She's also live. One day, maybe I'll be in here. Oh, Twitch. She has a Twitch channel. Interesting. I'm a comfort. Oh yeah, I see. I searched for myself. Let's see if I'm in here. No results. Ah, the pain. Sorry for your loss. Don't deny it. Hey, you're the one denying it. What do you think? I don't have to deny it. What? All right. Anyways, I was hoping this would like format it. Is there like a formatter for this shit? JSON. Ah. JSON format. Prettify. Yeah. What does this do? Season adds JSON support for Visual Studio Code. Does it make it pretty? If it does this. 3.5 stars. Like, okay. Is this like better? 3 stars. All right. Uh-oh, Zane Chen. They're gonna put some like Chinese like bot on my computer. Oh well. You're not interested in getting programming? Ah, it's okay. okay, so like I don't always program. Here, let me show you my channel. Let me show you my channel. Do. View my channel. So a lot of times I clip. I got the clippers here. Hey, I got Saba. Henya and what's her face? Pippa are my Oshis. But my live, I was cleaning up some stuff, but a lot of times I live myself by clipping. So yeah. I was clipping this. A nice little visual novel. Yeah. Started watching. I know Pippa through Mari Mari. I've started watching her a bunch recently. Ah. She's one of the biggest idols. Yeah, I mean, like I don't follow Hololive too much. Like sometimes I'll watch what's her face? Demon Dice. I can't remember. I can't pronounce her name. Kalalo PP. Oh, talks about family. Calopoli. Oh my god. Holy shit. I brained my damage. Mori. Calliope. Calliope. I was thinking Mari in my head, but I was like, it's not Mari. It's Mori. It's Mori. Demon Dice. Yeah, it took me like forever to like realize like Demon Dice was Mori. Calliope. I brained my damage. So yeah, this is me clipping. This is the one that got flagged a bit. So that's why I'm like making this program so I can like go through the fucking okay, so how does this work? JSON. Beautify it. Can it beautify it? Go file. Okay, we gotta see what this extension does. Content count. Jump to position. Auto refresh. Okay, so how do you fucking use this shit? Yeah, it's a lot of words. It's a JSON file. So like a lot of times, like, for the internet stuff, like, you know, the chat messages going up here, it's being sent as like a JSON file. And it's just like, it's pumping these things. It's telling it like, hey, like for your name that's, you know, with your username and like your user profile pic. Yeah. They show it's in a JSON file and they have like the URL for your profile picture. All right, so settings. It's like not doing anything. Do I have to reset this shit? Segments. Oh, okay. I think it's doing something. Yeah, it's doing something. Are you from Indonesia, Snow? Or are you in Indonesia? Oh, you're in Germany? Nice. Germany, yeah. Yeah, a lot of people from Europe come on during my daytime streams. I forgot. It's that in like the South Pacific. Holy shit. This is crazy here. Okay, segments. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the hell? Can it beautify this stuff? Beautify it. I don't think I like this. I was going to do something with it, but I don't think I'm going to. I don't think I'm going to. Let's redo this. Let's redo this. I'm gonna make this shit. New document. Old. I throw this all in here. Bam. And it got really warm in this room. Get really warm. Bebo. Okay. Oh. Max words per line. Requires timestamp true, no effective. Okay. Max words per line. 1. There we go. Clip timestamps. Clip stamps, comma separated, start and timestamps in seconds of a clip to process where the last end timestamps defaults to the end of the file. What? Huh. Okay. What's default 0? Let's just not do that one right now. Here we go. Oh, there's a clip you watched. There you go. Hold on a second. I said max words, and there I'm seeing like 3. Oh my God. You've watched multiple ones? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Thank you. I want to watch. Yeah. Europe's in like a bad spot for like American and or Japanese stuff. They're just in a bad spot. Like for prime time, I guess it would be better for prime time, Japanese stuff. Yeah. Okay, let's see what the fuck's going on with this. All right. Hopefully it's not separated like that. I told it 1 word per line. But this could just be verbose, like it coming out. Yeah. So let's go in here. Let's take a gander. I'm gonna close this. And I think I'm gonna delete this one. We're gonna delete it. There we go. Okay, so fast storage. Is it SRT? Ooh. Oh, baby. Nice. Comma. That comma. What are we? Europe? Anyways. SRT looks pretty cool. I think I might be able to use this. Let's see if they still do the... Oh, they don't. Ah. Nice. Got more F-bombs out of here. Oh. This here is word separated subtitle. Horse, he died after being effed by the horse, yeah. But as a result of being effed by the horse, like, just like unrelated causes, breeding from the, oh, it's not breeding, it's bleeding from the blank bleeding. Okay, that's Mister. That's fear and hunger. These are all like separate people. Yeah, so they're talking about Mr. Hands. All right, let's see if there's a better looking one of these. Let's see what this is. I still don't like this one. I wish this tells me too much shit. What's VTT look like? Ooh. I think I like VTT better. Has... Yeah. Yeah. I think I like VTT better. Yep. Now, how do we do this? Yeah, Mr. Hands. Yeah. Mr. Hands, that's what the guy's based off of. The Boeing engineer that had a beast fetish, a horse fetish, and his buddy that recorded it or whatever. The dude getting ravished and killed by a horse. Anyways, yeah, that's what girls talk about. That's what girls talk about, yo. Oh my goodness. Okay, I already did the SRT. Right? I did the SRT. What's the TSV? So I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Okay. Actually, this might be even better. Times, wait a second. Tab separated values. Okay. That might be what I want. Okay, whisper, TSV values. I guess like whisper, OpenAI whisper TSV. Start, end, units. There we go. Normal girls talk in their natural habitat. Reading these things rather than hearing makes it so much more unhinged. Yeah. Yeah. That's probably what the AI that got fed the transcript to the live video that I made editing this thought. It thought, holy shit, we better flag this as not suitable for all not suitable for all freaking for all ads or whatever the fuck. Oh my gosh. I don't know what these numbers are. Not those numbers. I don't know what these numbers are. And why is it like, yeah. This is not what I wanted. Also, this is like not word separated. It finally did it like at the end. It did it. Okay, I guess I got to use this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. Okay, let's see if someone might have like already done this. Golang VTT parser. There we go. Oh my gosh, yes. Holy shit. What does it do? This is Golang library to manipulate subtitles. It allows you to manipulate SRT, T, blah, 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 teletext files for now. Real operations, parsing, writing, applying linear correction, syncing, fragmenting, merging, optimizing. That's interesting. I don't know. This is a little like. Is there a main in this? I don't know. I think this is a little too much. I might use it though. Let's start it. We'll go back to it if I need to. That's it. Okay, let's look at the package itself. Open file, subtitles, items. Oh gosh. All I want to do is just a zoom, 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 and a boom, boom. I do like the numbering though, but I can always add it to myself, right? Yeah. I definitely don't like the comma. Okay. Let's look at the VTT again. I like this one better. I wonder how this does like when a really long one's done. All right. How big is this? Does it have the length of it? 2 hours and 50 minutes. I want something that's over like an hour. Because if it's, I don't know if it does minutes. If it's just minutes and doesn't do hours. Right, so that's like a big thing. Let's just copy this. And no, we're not going to copy it. New folder. Yeah, we are going to copy it. Full thing. Okay. Full stream. Actually, I can do it in here. Okay, hold on a second. We can do it in here. We can do it in this one. Properties. 5 hours. Oh my gosh, I don't need that long. Let's see how long 10 minutes is. Properties. 3 hours. Okay, that's long. How about Amy's? Three hours. Holy shit. I think Pippa's is down here. 2 hours and 50 minutes. Well, that's less. All right, let me just type in like a new folder. I'll type in Pippa. There we go. And then I'll copy this and paste it and copied. So we'll run the whisper again in here. We're going to see how that file looks at the end. Ooh, wait a second. No. Yeah, let's just do this. Yeah. I'm going to copy this. Copy. And here. Ooh. This is it. There. And it was drunk. There you go. Paste. There you go. Have at it, mister. Have at it, mister. Now, I like that guy's one thing, but I think what I'm going to do is not use it. I'm not really interested in all those features, and I think just like learning, their program is just going to take too long. And plus I can just kind of like make something on my own, right? And have it more versatile. I can fuck with it myself. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a scanner. We'll just do like the VTTs. We'll figure out like what to do later, because we know this is minutes. We know this is seconds. And, yeah. And we got to go like line by line. I wish this was like tab separated values. Yeah, but it's not. Web VTT. Scanner.go. Okay, so I usually make, ooh, is this examples? There we go. Oh, wait a second. Examples. Let's delete this one. Examples. There we go. And okay, funk. I don't know. Create scanner. Create VTT scanner. There we go. And then we'll take the file path, string. There we go. And then we'll create a type VTT scanner struct. There we go. And this will return a scanner star VTT scanner, and return scanner. There we go. This will hold the data. Should we do bytes, or should we do like? I guess we don't need to hold it. We'll parse it all out into it. So, how about we have like something in here? Like, we'll have like a line or subtitle. I don't know. Let's call it a subtitle. Type subtitle struct. And it has like a start. Now I don't know exactly how to put this, but we'll call it int, end, int, and we'll have text string. There we go. We can do like a word. This is going to be highly specific to what we want to do. All right, so we got like another hour and a half for this to do this. Holy shit, it's hot. My GPU is running full tilt. NVIDIA. Utilization. Oh yeah, baby. How many watts is it using right now? Only 46%. I thought I was going full tilt. Anyways, it feels hot in here. GeForce RTX 3090. Because we don't need this. I guess I could call it like Word. Do we need punctuation? I think we do. I think we do. All right. And this needs to, okay. I was in here. So we're going to have all the subtitles, right? No, this is subtitle. Damn. And this will be subtitles. And this will be a slice of subtitles. Title. Yeah. Hell yeah, brother. So I guess like, os.open and then file path. So this returns like something. Returns a file and an error. Oh, Billy. So I guess like file comp. Let's return an error. So this will return a scanner and an error. Okay, so I think it performs the read function, right? So I don't know if I need to do like a okay, like file dot read. It reads the bytes. I don't want to do that. Let's see, we're kind of like homegrown. Let's see. Let's go to Golang and shit. Let's go to Golang and go to the documentation. We're gonna use like one of their built-in packages. Shit. Learn community. I thought this would be like their standard library. So we got the buff IO package. Buff implements IO. It wraps IO reader. We're not gonna use that one. Maybe. Read line. There we go. We might do this. Read line. Then it returns like a, oh, how do we make a reader? Read writer, reader. new reader, IO reader. All right. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and use buff IO. Buff IO. Okay, so buff IO up. IO dot new reader file. I think it does have the read on that, so but we'll do a line reader. Well, I don't know. We'll just call it like, I don't know. What should we call it? File reader. I don't know. Wow, that's a Okay. Okay, file reader dot read line. So how do we know, like, is prefix read line is a low level line reading primitive. Most calls used in the reader read bytes in instead of blah blah. Read line tries to return a single line not including the end of line bytes. It is the line. If the line is too long for the buffer, then this prefix is set and the reading of the line is returned. Ew. Okay. So, like, we're gonna have to have like a for loop for this, right? And how do we get out of it? I don't know. So we'll find out. The text returned from the read line does not include the end line or, okay, no indication errors given by input ends. That's nice. After read line, we'll always read the last byte read, possibly a character belonging to the end line. Even that byte is not part of the return of read line. What? So how do we know this is end? Let's go back. Okay. Most callers should use read bytes or read string or use a scanner. Okay. I don't want to use read string. Well, let's try. Read bytes. Read bytes reads until the first occurrence of the delimiter. Okay. Read string. Including the delimiter. If the read string encounters an error before finding the delimiter, it returns the data read. Read string enters error. Returns error not if and only if the return data does not end in a delimiter. For simple uses, a scanner may be more convenient. Okay. Scanner. Scan. I don't know, like a scanner would be better. I kind of like the read line. Because it automatically takes us out. Okay, let's see what a scanner. Okay, FT dot scan. Scan line any. scanf. Is there an fscanf? Fscan line IO reader. Fscan line similar to fscan will stop scanning at a new line, and after the line item there must be a new line or end of file. Huh. Okay, where does it put? Reads text from R, storing successive space separating values into submissive arguments as determined by the format. It returns a number of items successfully parsed. New lines in the input must match new lines in the format. Okay. Is there like an example of this? This might be what I want because it's pretty fucking, how do I put it? It's pretty repetitive, right? It has this, and then it has this, right? And it has like this here too, and then this here, and then it has like a word after it. So, but the thing is, I don't know how big this gets. So luckily it seems like this thing's done in here, and so I can check that out. So that was a VTT. Yeah, let's go to the VTT. Let's go to the VTT. Okay, what's there? Boom. All right. Problem. There's a problem. It's this. So it's not always going to be the same. Like this is not going to happen sometimes. So a scanner won't work very well with this. SRT has like hours, minutes, seconds. This will work. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. Let's see if we can get this to work. So I know it's it. Let's try SRT. Let's try SRT. All right. SRT, here we go. Boop, 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 boop. Does it have like a... It does. Okay. Here we go. SRT scanner. All right. Okay, so let's do like timestamp. Type. Timestamp. Type. Timestamp. Struct. Hour. Hour int. Minute int. MS int. There we go. That's what we want. And this will be like timestamp. And this will be timestamp. And this will be index int. So integers are non like real numbers. Okay. This will return a SRT scanner. There we go. So file scan F. Let's double check something. We'll double check something here. So let's bring in the SRT. Bam. All right, it's the same. There's a space. Now, I don't know, like, how does it start? Okay, it starts with the number 1, blank, 2. All right. Let's bring in 3 of these. Boom. Copy. All right, so this is how it looks. SRT sample. All right. So this mount. I wanted to bring it down here. Let's just grab this one and bring it down. Okay. See, I don't know how this is going to load. Oh, I know how it's going to load. So we do like file reader. And then we'll comma, and then the format is going to have to be like this, right? Format, it's going to be like, I think it's D. %D. And then like new line. And then it might not like that. Since it's going to be like a, let's just do this plus, since it's going to be that way. This new line is going to be like %D, colon, %D, colon, %D, comma. This needs to be in quotes, by the way. %D, space, boom, boom, there, space, %D, comma, %D, comma, %D. Wait a second. This is colon. It has to look like this. It has to look like this. Okay. Colon, %D, comma, %D. There we go. Close that. Yay. Plus. And then here, this will be %S. %S. This is a new line. And this will be new line. And then I think new line. There. We'll close this. Actually, we'll have this here. New line, new line. There, comma. Now we can put like what it's supposed to be. So we got the file reader. We want to do like what we want to do is like, I don't know, like the length of these. Fscan scans text read from R, supporting successive space separated into arguments. Okay. Scanf are storing successive space separated values into successive arguments. As determined by the format. It returns a number of items successfully parsed. So I guess like how does it know when to end? How does it know how many words we're gonna grab out of there, right? There has to be like a better way to do this. I don't know, maybe. Let's just like work on, let's see what we can do to work with this. Cause this will like load it up like exactly how we want it, right? So you can't be like too unhappy about that. The problem is like really long things. That's what she said. All right, so let's put in here, not this long ass one. Let's put this one in here. There we go. Yeah. So there's like, how many lines are there? Oh, did we put the index in there? Yes. Okay, subtitle. Let's see what they used in the scanner. Okay, Golang, fscanf. Yeah. Example. Fucking army recruitment. Well, that sucks. var in blah, 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 print. Okay. Okay. It doesn't tell me what the error is. All right, let's. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Subtitles, subtitle. Okay. Okay, let's make a bunch of subtitles. 0. Then we'll do a 4. And let's grab this. And then this will be like enter. There we go. And here we will make a subtitle. We'll call it S. Subtitle. There we go. And then they'll scan it into S. So S dot index, comma S dot start H, S dot start M, S dot start S, and comma end dot, what is it? S dot end dot H, S dot end dot M, S dot end dot S. So that's that, comma, and then S dot text. There we go. All right. Control save. So that brings the N. Subtitles equals append subtitles. And comma S. There we go. If error not equal to nil, fmt.println return. Okay. Scanner. Equals new SRT scanner. And return. I guess like if it'll be like into file, we want to do it, but we'll just return, we'll print the error, and then we'll return there we go. We'll return both scanner subtitles equals subtitles, and then we'll return a scanner. There we go. Nice little scanner thing. So let's create a nice little program in here. What we got to do though here is let's push this. So how big is this? That's the question. Okay, it's not that big. If it's like several megabytes, they don't like it. So it's not that big. All right. First function. Func. Yeah. Boom, boom, commit. No. Did I commit it? There's no stages. I thought I just staged it. Boom. Boom. There we go. Git push. Here's the funky thing. So, I think for this, I should make a modular. So go mod init. Okay. Since it's private, how do I make this private? Oh, there's a way to do this. Meow. Is that it? Go private. There it is. There we go. Okay, so go mod init. Init. github.com/ultraderek/ what is this called? This is called subtitle scanner. Subtitle scanner. Okay, so subtitle scanner. There we go. Right? Subtitle scanner. There we go. Go mod tidy. There we go. Yeah, let's push this up. Added go.mod. There we go. Commit. Git push. Okay. Now, the magic is about to happen. I don't know. I think I gotta let's do like a, I don't know. Let's call it examples or something. I don't know. SRT. Okay, there we go. Okay, package main. Okay, I don't know if I need to do the go get. Let's try this. Func main. Blah blah blah. What is this called? Can I get copy the name of this? Can I copy the name of this? Fucking piece of shit. Let's call it something else. Subs example. Subs example. You can't spell subs example without sex. All right. There we go. All right, so path subs example. What is it? subs example .srt. Yay. Let's see if we can find this. We might have to do like a go get. Yeah. Oh shit. So it returns the scanner, right? And I guess okay. We'll see this. All right. Okay. So I guess we'll call subtitle scanner. There we go. Scanner. I don't have enough. I don't have enough for it. I need to do this. Shit. Well, we'll just do this and then we'll print it. I think I gotta like. I gotta do much more. Yeah. Subtitle. Wait a second. Subtitle scanner. Dot. Create. What? This is supposed to be VST. Via. Wait, is it SRT? Straight. SRT scanner. There we go. File. Errors never used. Oh. If error not equal to nil, return nil error. There we go. And yeah. There we go. There we go. Path. fmt.println and fmt.println scanner. There we go. So let's go to examples. CD examples. Thank goodness I don't have to like push out the updates in this. Sometimes I'm confused about that kind of stuff. Because I should have like a, well, let's just run this. So go run srt.go. Not an int 0. Fuck you, bitch. You gotta be shitting me. You fucking suck. All right. I thought I'd be able to do that. All right. This all of a sudden got a lot harder. All of these need to turn into strings. All these. And then we got to do like a, yeah. Okay. So we're going to keep these all the same. So you notice that, wait a second. Int 0. So the first one starts with a 1, right? So we know it got this, but it didn't get this. How does it not know like 0 is not a pointer? Type not a pointer int. Wait a second. Oh, wait a second. What? Wait a second. It filled this one though, right? Like that? This is, oh, I forgot about this. Problems. MS. Bullshit, it's not unused. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. I didn't put it in there. Seconds. Oh gosh. That could have been bad. And S start MS. And S and S and MS, comma. All right. Hey, look at that. Lookity there, lookity there. Filled her all up. Hell yeah, brother. That's awesome. That is freaking awesome. All right, so how do we want it? We can print this like a cheap print. What if I did like the entire scanner like this? Print the scanner. All right. We can, okay. FMT, wait a second. Okay, so S funk, S subtitle. It's a string. All right, so and this returns a string. Right? So we can do a formatted string for this. So return FMT dot formatted string, right? What is this format state? What the fuck? String S print, string print format. Yeah. So we can do the format. We can do like index. Gosh, I am so glad. All I had to do is just put that shit in there. Oh my gosh. So, yeah. Index, and this would be like %D. And then like there. And then, what the fuck is that? Index, and then like, I don't know. Do we need a start? Do we really need to say the start? I guess we could say start. We can change it if we want to. If we want to. And we can do like %D colon %D. That's not percent. %D colon %D colon %D. Okay, there's like a certain way to format this too. So we can format it kind of like the same. Okay, pad. How do we pad this? Decibel less scientific notation. Oh my. Base 10. That's how we like it. Okay, width 9, precision 2. So I guess like we can do like we'll do like width 2 for all these. 2 2 2 2 2 dot, and this will be 3. Yeah. Percent 3D, right? And then like I don't know if we should have a dash. We can have a dash. And do we even need to have the start there? Let's not put the start. Let's just do this. And we'll copy this. There we go. Right? And oh yeah, baby. This gets way too long. That's index. I guess we time. I guess timestamp. Like I don't know. I don't know. If we're gonna do this, then let's do this. Why do we have a comma? We don't need a comma. Boom. There. Boom. Plus. Boom. What's this? 0 R's. Yeah, because I'm not fucking done, bitch. All right. Plus. And then we're gonna do another thing. So that's index and then like text. And this will be %s. %s. There we go. Yay. And this will be s dot index comma s dot start s dot start dot m s dot start dot s s dot start dot ms. There we go. And then like s dot end dot h s dot end dot m s dot comma s dot end dot s comma s dot end dot dot ms. Multiple sclerosis, that's what ms stands for. And s dot text. There we go. This might be easier to look at if we do it like this. Kind of separated by the lines. There we go. Thank you. Let's have the scanner. Thank you. We'll have the scanner return subtitles. Right. So in here, func s star scan. Well, s star scan. S star SRT scanner subs, and then we'll return subtitle. There we go. Return subtitles. There we go. Also click the sneak. I gotta like have myself do a sneeze like regular, so like move it away and then do the explosion like I did for Saba. Yeah. Yay. Man, I can't believe this fucking worked on the second try. I tell you what, man. That's fucking crazy. Alright, so here. Was there an error? It blocked out, it returned when there was, right? Into file. Okay, so okay. That's good to know. I wonder if we, oh my gosh. This is interesting. I wonder if I can do it like this. os.eof. There's not, is there anything like that? Oh, there's not. Okay. If error not equal to nil. And wait a second. If error, let's delete this. There we go. If error equivalent to EOF that's weird. Huh. If error equivalent to in a file. If error dot error. There we go. Nil. There we go. And else return nil error. There we go. And here if error not equal to nil, we'll just print the error. We don't need to panic because it's just going to leave. And then we'll return and oh shit. Just send a clip to Discord. Heck yeah, baby. Subs scanner dot subs. Oh, I wonder if I could do this. Okay, so for sub, wait a second, underscore sub range of subs, fmt dot print ln sub. There we go. There we go. What's the scan? What's wrong with this? What's wrong here? And not used? Oh, fuck you. No one cares about your end. All right, so there we go. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Excellent. It's probably something like the... Yeah, there we go. Too many lines. Okay. So we scan it, right? Let's scan for words. Right? Right. Right. Okay, so... Start. Let's see if they had the F. Start. No. F. Star. Okay. Let's scan for F bombs. Okay. This is exactly what I want. Okay, so font crate scanner. You just return to the subs, right? But like maybe we want to have func s srt scanner, and we are the champions, my friends. Bum, bum, bum. We keep on fighting till the end. Word scan. Words scan. All right. And like, we'll return subtitle. This will be fun. Okay, so let's make I say subs, make subtitle. Let's just call it subs. There we go. Comment 0. Scans for words. Words. String. I put it here. There we go. So here you can have like plethora of different words, right? And then I don't know. How should we go about this? Oh, wait a second. Maybe we should just do like, okay, we'll just do a word scan. All right. This will be easier to sort it out by the words, right? Yeah. So later on, because like we can have like somewhere else, like in another program, we can have like a, I don't know. We can have like a something that takes in a scanner, but also has a word on top of that. So yeah. Maybe later on we can do like maybe I can add something onto this. So, but let's return subs. Okay, so for sub range of s dot subtitles if if strings dot contains any. What is it? Contains reports whether. Okay. Contains any. What is this? Reports whether any Unicode points to in cars are within S. Okay. Contains. Just do contains. All right. And then this will be the string will be word. S sub dot text comma word. There we go. Comma. If that's true, then subs equals append subs, comma, sub. Is that not enough piece? Append. Cool. I guess like at the end of this, if the I want to return nil, right? Or like, I guess I don't need to. Let's just keep it at this right now. Yeah. So I would say like word scan scans the subtitles for a word. Will return an empty slice of subtitle. Subs will be empty. Subs will be an empty slice if no word found. Word scan contain. Let's call it. Okay. For if slice contains. Okay. Scan subtitles for a see if word. Wait a second. Subtitles to see to find if word is contained page up in subtitle, i.e. i.e. if it is a substring. So I don't know, what's like a good one? Flying and fly would return if looking for fly. There we go. All right, nice. All right. So we got this. All right. So scanner. Word scan dot fuck. Were they all lowercase? This might be important. Okay, not everything is lowercase. So we're gonna do like 2 lower for all this. All right. That's important. That's important. Okay. We'll also put like a case. Doesn't matter. All right. So, we're okay. So like, lower word equals strings dot to lower word, right? Or we could just do this. We'll just do that. Bam. Text. Oh, we could just do this. I think this will be better. So strings dot to lower, and then we'll just put this in here. Sub that text. So here, yeah. I guess we can put it up here. So here it'll bring the text all to the lower. Like if anything, like it's capitalized, it'll just lower it, and it'll find that contains it. If it contains it, it'll return it. There we go. All right. So here, let's go find it. It's gonna print it. Yeah. Save this. That other one's saved, right? Yep. There we go. All the F-bombs. Boom. All the F-bombs, baby. All the F-bombs that it caught. Ew, it put the spaces out in there. Gross. I thought I put like a 0. Yeah, that's gross. Okay, there. I think I can like tell it to what to fill it in if it's not in there like that. Yeah. Uh, 6.2 F. Okay. 5S %D. Yeah. Decimal point F. Same for F. G. Base 16. There's a way to add in like add a 0 to it, right? Area operand. How do I have it add like zeros? Okay. Add zeros to printf to printf for decimals to left in Golang instead of spaces. Oh. All right. So it's literally just put 0 there. So for the scanner or the printer. Now, wait a second. I guess, okay. 0, 0, 0. I think here it's automatically 3. Yeah. 0.1. Let's go ahead and put 0 here. Just in case. There we go. Beauty. She's a beaut, Clark. We got all of them. There we go. Boom. Copy. Text editor. Paste. Paste. All right, I gotta use the restroom. I'll be right back. Oh shit, I didn't want to save it. All right. Yeah. I'll be like a few minutes. A minute. I'm gonna take a shower. Just kidding, I'm not taking a shower. Just use the restroom. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm back, baby. So I put these on here. I'm gonna pull up the resolve thing. All right. Let's go into here. Alt tab. And then we're gonna go full size. All right. Is there like a notebook? Like, I don't even know if there's like a notebook for this. Is there a view? Notebook? Notes? Project notes? Nice. All right, so nice. Let's go into here. Ah. Home. Home. Go up. Page up. Copy. Copy. Paste. Unfortunately, it'd be nice if that's like timestamp. I can like click on it. It'll send me there. Yeah. So we can go to the first one. It's 57 seconds in. All right. Let's see how accurate this is. Can I save it? Why can't they save it? Weird.
I think Denmark's gotten a little bit far.
I'm gonna be honest. How many shots are you guys at?
20? Okay, never mind. I take it back. Yeah, let's call it.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Yes. How many shots are you guys at?
20? Okay, never mind. I take it back. Yeah, let's call it there.
How many shots is people? 20. How many shots is Amy?
I didn't count, but I know it's single digits because it's vodka.
Oh, how many shots is Amy?
A moo?
10. I'm at 40.
Homie senpai, have you been eating? These are your snacks, right? Have you been eating your snacks? Because I have my Thin Mints.
Okay. Just for okay, fine. Just for you, Dad. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna chug this whole bottle.
The whole bottle? You better keep streaming after that. You better read super chats or something after that. I'll raid you. You keep reading super chats after that.
One more shot? Oh, fuck you.
2 shots? Oh, wow.
All right, hold on a second.
One more shot? Oh, fuck.
I think that was pretty close.
Shot? Oh,
Yeah. So this is 24 frames, right?
shot? Oh, fuck you.
Yeah. Okay, so that's like 19. Maybe 18. Okay, let's do 18 frames. So 700 over 1000, 0.7 times 24. Calculator. So 0.7 times 24. Wait a second. Am I smoking here? So it kind of like said that it's at 16.8 frames, like 17. Right? I think it's pretty good. Okay, and then it says that, so 5 times, or 24 times 0.16 times 5, right? Am I, what? Times 24. So is that, okay, so it says that ends at basically 4 frames. Basically 4 frames. Yeah, I think it's not too bad. That's not too bad. Wait a second. I noticed something. I noticed something. There. Oh, shit. That. Let's see if this does something. There we go. What the hell was I doing before? Well, what the fuck? I don't get it. Why'd it change? What? I don't think I need double. That's kind of weird though. Like I put it in here. Ah, weird. Let's page this down. Page down. Let's delete this. All right. I don't know if I need this. I think it automatically did it. I think it automatically did it. I didn't need both of them. There we go. Save. There we go. Copy. Paste. All right. Copy. Eventually I should be able to like have it find those words and just like take it out, right? Eventually. So let's copy this and go back into Resolve. And here, I don't know why it's not allowing me to save notes. Aha. Paste. How many words? Wait a second. I didn't grab them all. Okay, so page up. There we go. So eventually I should be able to go in there and just take it out, right? Eventually. I don't know why I can't save this. Let me turn on my other computer. My other computer. Did anything go on my Discord? Discord, these nuts. It's always updating. What? Someone got to clip the clipper. There we go.
Thank you.
Achoo.
Thank you.
There we go. All right, so my other computer should be out. Let's save this. Why can't I save this? Save this piece of shit. Why can't you let me save a note, bitch? What's wrong? See, even though I know where everything is, it's still a pain in the ass to do this. That's why this all has to be automated. Automate it all! I think like the single word search fucking works a bit. Sorry, I gotta hide this. Uh-oh, that's my handsome face. Chicks. They're playing the steel drums. Supposed to have like background with like babes and hot tub. There it is. There it is. Here, let's put that. There we go. Let's hide this one here. There we go. I'm in a hot tub, yo. Yeah, it's trying to sign me in on a bunch of shit. All right, let me open up this thing. And oh, there we go. All right, hold on a second. You're not gonna fuck me over, are you? There we go. Oh, wait a second. Filters. Oh. Holy moly. Is it color key? Color correction? Yeah. There we go. Semi-transparent. There we go. Eventually. So here, select input. Okay. Final audio. Whoa. There's no file in there. What? I thought I was putting that in there. We'll talk one final. It starts with Remy. LMNOPQR. There it is. All right, and then the output, we're gonna put Pippa. What is it? Final audio scrubbing and stuff. Okay, there we go. What the fuck? Shit's blowing up on my phone. Missed call. Oh shit. Who called me? Oh. Oh my. Clipping you, clipception, clipping you, clipping me, clipping you, reacting to me, reacting to you, clipping the meta, all praise the algorithm. Oh my god. Am I meta here? I'm so meta. I'm metaing my ass right now. Let's make it 1024. We're gonna do both instrument and vocals. Because part of it, like, we need to get the go, right? Yeah. If we just do the instrumental or the vocals only, yeah. Start. I wish I can get this working on Linux. I can't. I don't even know how to, bro. I don't even know how to Linux. So this won't be too long. I think I might call it here. I got the search done. I can do like the I can do anything that you want. Yeah. Yeah. There's like ways to build sentences. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. And I checked like the times and stuff. Oh my gosh. Holy fuck. It dedicated like all my memory RAM to this. No wonder it didn't fucking crash. It like crashed the other one. What the fuck? This is crazy. Like, this is nuts. I've never seen any of these things like dedicate this much RAM. Maybe I should have did 512. Holy fuck. Look how fast it is though. Look how fast she be. Watch it crash. No wonder it crashed. Like last time it was just like, it just fucking crashed on me. Yeah. This is way better. My shoulder. Ow. Yeah, SRT greater than LMNOP. Did I end up doing the VTT? I did the SRT. Yeah. I guess I could have done VTT. But in the end, it doesn't matter. SRT, VTT, LMNOP, PP. That's fine. That's fine. All right. I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it. Oh, wait. There we go. There we go. Oh. There we go. Oh, it's the end of the show. Da, da, da. It's the end of the show. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's the end of the show. No, no, you don't say so. Anyways. Achoo. Powerful sneeze. Powerful sneeze. I'm out of here. I'll be on later on tonight. Keeping it real. Yo. Y'all stay out of trouble. And look forward to seeing me in 8 hours and 8 minutes. Yeah. That's 10 o'clock. Eastern Daylight Time. Yeah. Living the dream, baby. Stay out of trouble. Like RoboCop says. All right, bye.